All right, boys and girls, here we are. We did it, huh? We made it. Yes, day 20 of your March daily math. All right, we need a true or false here. All right, so 6 times 20 is the same as 12 times 10. All right, I think I know the answer. 10 is half of 20. 6 is half of 12. I think they're equal, but let's figure it out. 6 times 2 is 12, so 6 times 2 tens would be 120. 12 times 10 is 12, plus the 0. It's true. They are equal. Okay? Basically, I knew that because half of 12 is 6, and then half of 20 is 10. So if you doubled 6 to get to 12, but you take half of 20 to get to 10, you're still going to have the same thing. Think of it as 3 times 8. Well, 3 times 8 is 24. If you double the 3, you get 6. If you take half of the 8, you get 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, so you can always take that if you know how to do it. Keep doing it. You're doing great. All right, here we go. Use less than, greater than, or equal to. 4/10 is less than, equal to, or greater than 4/8. Well, we know 4/8 is what? That's equivalent to 1/2, right? We know 4/10 is just a pinch under a half because 5/10 would be a half. 4/10 is just a little less than 1/2. So 4/10 is less than 4/8. Just by a little bit. You know by how much? By 1/10. All right, how many pieces between 0 and 1? Well, let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many pieces? There are 8 pieces. Okay? So what fraction is the mushroom? Well, that's 2/8, right? Which would also be equivalent to 1/4. The horseshoe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/8, which would be equivalent to 3/4. And the shamrock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/8. That's just 7/8. Okay? All right. Number 4. Use these numbers to make 5 3-digit numbers that are all greater than 500. So we can go 745, 754, 834, 843, 928. All right. They're all bigger than 500, and they're all 3-digit numbers. There once was a leprechaun named Finn, who now says that math makes him grin. You've helped him to see that math is easy when you try hard and never give in. Finn says, thanks for your help. Boys and girls, great job with all your daily math this month. You really worked hard. Probably the best month of your daily math you've had yet. We'll see you in April.